Okay. I was not in the right gear. Oh, we got a Crasherini up here.
Well, let's not race right here.
I was just about to say it. Well,
no, officer. I wasn't doing anything.
I went ahead and slowed down before we went over that crest because there's no telling what's over the top of it.
I'm just going 50 miles an hour. Sir, I heard your bike. Oh, I have really loud speakers on the outside of my bike.
My bike had a false neutral.
What did that person do?
Damn.
Oh, crap. Oh. I just ran the red light in front of some cops.
Oh, they're busy.
Oopsie. Sorry, officer. Stay on the right side of the lane, okay?
Oh, gosh. Okay.
Stay put.
Alright. Oh, it gets me even when I'm expecting it, man. Holy crap. Awesome.
Alright, your turn.
Let me crack the ice off of my hands real fast. God, it is so windy. Holy crap. Get on the right side. I don't want to be next to cars when I'm doing 100. Alright, yellow car, please do not pull in front of me. God, it feels so good. Oh, there goes the hip. Oh, there goes the hip. Oh, that was fun though. I like that road, man.
Oh man, it's a bit chilly out. I think this is the first time that it's hit freezing during the day. This year, that is, this year. I think it's dipped below freezing maybe once or twice during the night, but I left my house today at about 8:45, 9, and it was exactly freezing.